Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials. Git installed, VSCode open, and GitHub account ready. Once done, open your project folder and run git init in the integrated terminal to make a local repository. Make a git ignore to avoid committing node modules or sensitive files and add a README. MD for context. Then stage changes with git add, and commit with git commit m initial commit. This gets your project tracked and ready to connect to GitHub. Next, create a new repository on GitHub and copy its remote URL. Choose HTTPS for simplicity or SSH for secure keys. In VS Code terminal, add that remote with git remote add origin URL so your local repo knows where to send updates. Make sure your branch name is consistent. Run git branch m main to standardize. Then push with git push u origin main to upload commits and set the upstream. Once pushed, GitHub shows your files. Finally, keep syncing as you work. Make changes, git add and git commit, then git push to update GitHub. Before starting work, always git pull origin main so you integrate others' changes and minimize conflicts. If you hit merge conflicts, open the conflicted files in VS Code, choose the correct hunks, then add and commit the resolution. If push fails, check the remote URL, authentication, token, or SSH key, and run git remote v. That single troubleshooting step often reveals the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.